In the 2025.10 update for DDM, we've made a number of changes to the DDM Web client. Previously, widgets, as shown here, would only provide data as a value. Now, we've added the ability to select the value and be taken to the results of that query. We've also made enhancements to the queries themselves. I have a query here that shows the items created by the current user. If we head over to the admin tool, we can find our widgets under System, Web Widgets. And here we can see I've created a new widget which shows the parts created by the current user. If we edit this widget, we can have a look at the query. And we can see we're using a new tag here for current user, which can be applied to your widgets. This is a useful tool for creating custom widgets that can be applied across accounts without having to modify the widget each time to match a different user, allowing more customization and control over default dashboards. If we head back to the web client now, we've made some changes to the search options. We have added the search items from the Office client. This allows users of the web client to now search for parts and assemblies, drawings and documents, the same as the Office client. If we have a look at our assemblies, we've also made changes to the bill of materials. If we look at the bill of materials here, and I will set this as a table view, we've added the ability to customize the columns for a bill of materials in the web client. These options can be found here in the column chooser. This first drop-down allows you to select where the object reference comes from. And the second drop-down allows us to select the object where the attributes come from, either part attributes or bill of material attributes in this case. By default, the first drop-down is set to bill of materials, as this gives you access to the parts attributes and the BOM attributes, which are the most common for a bill of materials view. Once we've selected our two options, we can now select which attributes we'd like to add to the bill of materials. So here I could select a number of options, and if I select add, these will be added to the bottom of the table. If we wish to remove attributes, we follow the same process. So if I select the two that have been added and select remove, they are no longer present at the bottom of the table. Once we've added the attributes we wish to add, we can reorganize our columns using the up and down arrows. So I could move the BOM family member up to the beginning of our table. And once you've finished editing the columns, we'll head to the bottom of the page to save those changes. We can now see our BOM family member is the first entry in the table. These changes are persistent for the user. Making this change in one assembly will apply the change to all assembly views in the web client for that user. We've also improved our ability to view PDFs from the web client. If we have a look at the drawing for this assembly, and I select the image, now rather than forcing the user to download the file, the PDF is automatically opened in a new tab. If I run a search on drawings, if I select the PDF preview, From this view, I can also access the PDF preview. And that is a summary of the updates to the DDM Web client in the 2025.10 update for DDM.